What's up guys, it's Zach here from Aperture Alley, and we have another unboxing video. First of all, I'm going to start by saying the old knife that you guys saw in the last video was terrible, so I went to Dick's and bought a new knife by Smith & Wesson, and it's an M&P knife. Comes with this nice case, and it's pretty sharp, so we're just going to get right into it. So we'll open this one first. And just to tell you guys again, Eric doesn't tell me what's in these boxes, so... this is... Alright, a lot of bubble wrap. Alright, it's one of these Canon FD lenses that Eric bought. One of these all manual ones. Alright, this is pretty nice. It's a 135. This thing is cool. Manual aperture, manual zoom, manual focus. Or no, not manual zoom because it's a prime. Thanks, Eric. Second in the lens category, we got this, which is the Panasonic Lumix 35-100, which I am in love with now that I've used it a little bit. You'll see the, I unboxed it a couple days ago when we got it so I could use it. You'll see that. I'm gonna open this package early because Eric said that we need it for something. I still didn't know what it is, but... Alright, ooh, nice. It's the Lumix 35-100 millimeter 2.8. I've been telling Eric I wanted this lens. Alright, little bag for the lens. It says Lumix on it. And here she is. This is nice and new. Oh, it's so nice to turn. Dark grayish blue, like shadow chrome kind of color. Nothing. Alright, well, that's our new lens, I guess. And then here's the last one. This one's kind of heavy, so let's see. It's coming from Texas, so let's see. Alright, here we go. Alright, let's see. It's probably, oh wow, this is another lens. Okay. This one's got like a nice leather case. And once you look at that, it's another Canon FD lens. Oh, this is 70-210. Another one of those all manual lenses. Oh, this is nice. Full manual aperture, zoom, and focus. Alright. I like it. It's cool. So, that's pretty much it for this one. We got the 70-200, and it has a macro on it too. We got the Lumix 35-100. And we got the Canon FD 135 too. So, that's it for this unboxing. Oh yeah, and we got the new knife, which I like a lot. So that's it. If you guys want to send us stuff, it'll be down in the description, excuse me. And you guys have a great day, and we're out.